Hey loves, welcome back. I promised you guys another Dollar Tree gift basket ideas video, and of course these will be perfect with Valentine's Day coming up, but also throughout the year for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. The first one here is for younger kids. I'm making this for Kylie, who's 3, but if you wanted a more boyish version, you could customize that with the characters, colors, etc. Dollar Tree has these baskets 2 for $1, and with the holes in it, they could make cute shower totes as well. For this one, I'm putting in bath paints. Kylie loves painting the walls of the tub with these, and I've always found that they rinse off pretty easily afterward. This pack of hair elastics looks so cute, kind of like a giant lollipop. Really fun and colorful, but also very practical and useful. I'm adding a jump rope because Kylie saw the Berenstain Bears show here on YouTube, and since Sister Bear jumps rope, Kylie has now been trying to make jump ropes out of everything, so I think she will get plenty of use out of this one. These little bags of pink and red Hershey's Kisses are the perfect size and color for a little Valentine's gift basket. Coloring books and stickers are great choices for younger kids, and Dollar Tree does have reading books and adult coloring books for older kids and adults. I'm going to also squeeze in this little coloring tote bag I have and with the markers, along with one of these soft roses. This basket will cost you about $10 to $15 to put together, but if you want a cute and practical kids item to fill the basket without using as many items, you could do a fun Disney tissue box from Dollar Tree and fill in around it with some holiday socks, candies, crafts, even little things like the Valentines pencils and erasers I've seen in Dollar Tree recently would be both fun and practical for younger kids. Now I'm using the other basket from the pack for Renee. A bath loofah would be great for an older child or adult. This pink one with the gold edges is beautiful. You could add soaps or lotions. I liked this little notepad and pen and these fun socks. All so cute and adorable for Valentine's Day. Bath bombs, bath salts, shavers, nail polish, candy, and flowers all would be nice as well. So for this basket, I filled it up for under $10, and then if you wanted them to be the same as far as a dollar amount, you could always add a little $5 gift card in or something like that for a coffee shop, or hey, why not add a gift card to Dollar Tree? I think that's versatile enough that someone of any age would be sure to find a few things they want there. With this next one, I went a little outside the box and used a glass jar instead of a basket. This particular jar was from IKEA, but I think Walmart, Target, and Hobby Lobby all carry similar items. And everything I'm showing you for filling it with came from Dollar Tree. Warm fuzzy socks, a soy blend candle, Bolero body soaps, chocolates, moisturizing lip balm, some fun nail polish colors for spring and summer, gum. I used to love this Ice Cube brand one, although with a bit of TMJ, I'm not personally really supposed to chew gum very often, but I really did used to love this brand. Dollar Tree also has these coconut and sea salt scented line of Bolero products, which smell really, really good. And I thought that the color and theme and packaging on here would also be perfect if you're doing a beachy, summer, coastal, or tropical themed gift as well. I thought most women would find a glass jar with a lid that seals like this to be very useful long after the little gifts and pampering products have been used up. Am I right, ladies? Who's with me? Comment yes down below if you would get use out of a glass jar like this in your home, well beyond getting this gift basket on Valentine's Day. Next, I found this large popcorn basket in Dollar Tree, and it's the perfect way to give a movie night themed gift to someone. I found a bunch of movies in Dollar Tree a couple weeks ago. You guys probably remember I showed you them in a Dollar Tree haul. But anyway, if you don't find movies there, or if you do but you don't like any of them, you could always try either picking one from Walmart. They sometimes have movies for like $3 or $5 each. You could include a gift certificate for Redbox so the person can rent their own movie, or you could even just include other things instead, like a cozy blanket and extra snacks, drinks, beverages, something like that, and let the person or family pick out their own movie or TV show to watch. Does anyone know if Dollar Tree carries popcorn? I didn't find any when I was there, so I'm just using some that I already had on hand. But Dollar Tree does have an abundance of boxed candy options, perfect for adding to a movie night basket. I don't know why when I think of going to the movies, I always think of boxed candy like this. And why not add some napkins in as well? I thought that would be very convenient for your little at-home movie night. So let me know which basket or which ideas were your favorites. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you all again soon in the next one. Bye guys!